How to turn on or turn off adaptive color tone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, scroll down and you will see adaptive color tone is here. If you want to turn on adaptive color tone, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see adaptive color tone is turned on. If you want to turn off adaptive color tone, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see adaptive color tone is turned off. You will turn on or turn off adaptive color tone from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off adaptive color tone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.